Hey YouTube, that Brady chick here, and welcome to my very first vlog! Yay! Oh my gosh! So I won't say that much because this is supposed to be a short intro, but we're en route to Grenada. Let's see how it went. I'm pretty much passing recording to the theme party, so there's an all-black party at the first night, Baywatch, which is like a red-yellow party, tag team, which is a matching party, where you have to match with your other guests, and then there's a sports party, where you have to wear like sports clothes, sports gear, whatever. And there's an all-white party on the last day. I got this for the all-black party, which is like a long dress with a slit, and it has like crisscross design at the slit, so it's pretty cool. And then there's Baywatch, so I'm just gonna wear red for that because I don't have anything yellow. There's tag team. The tag team would be swimsuits plus matching. So my group wants to match with cheetah print, so I have a tube dress here that's cheetah print. And then there's a sportswear party, so I have a little jersey here, kind of like a mesh jersey, plus these like sports booty shorts, I guess you could say. I don't know. I'm gonna wear this swimsuit underneath it as well, just to create a little contrast with the blue and black. And then there's an all-white party, so I have my little off-the-shoulder dress here, which you guys will see soon. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm packing. All the other outfits are just extras. Like for the plane ride back, my PJs, my brother got me that says Queen, extra clothes that I might wear to Trinidad. That's pretty much it. Can't wait till tomorrow. The officer actually mentioned you guys, and I'm like, how did you know I'm traveling with them? Really? Yeah.
Oh, you got here early.
So guys, we just touched down at an airport. Hold on, let me flip this up. So, little disclaimer for you guys, I clearly don't vlog on the regular, and it shows based on my camera skills, so just bear with me, okay? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so guys, I just touched down. I just met up with... That was the fourth time now. Oh, beverages. Like Coke, ginger ale, club soda, apple juice. Ooh, apple juice. If it's not Caribbean, I don't want it.
As soon as I go to Trinidad, that's the first thing I wanted. Did you order it?
No. I'm indecisive. So do they bring it out to you, or you gotta go up to them? Awesome. I like being served. Yummy.
Oh, two flash? Jeez.
First one out.
I'm sleeping on the beach.
So we just touched down in Miami. Oh, we're about to head to my auntie's house, so we're gonna eat some food. As far as tonight goes though, we're kind of tired, so we're just gonna clock out. The next morning, we're gonna go to Grenada.
And your friend has fear.
So it's day 2 of being in Miami. I mean, does it really count? I don't know.
You ready?
Well, almost. I just wanted to say morning.
Good morning, good morning. Yeah,
Morning.
Okay,
no problem. I'm wearing heels tonight. I know that's right. So we were really in Miami just for the night. We had a layover down here, and my auntie was nice enough to pick us up and take us in for the night and all that. So it's early in the morning right now. It's stop. But yeah, it's like 6:45 in the morning right now, so we're about to head back to the airport because now we're actually going straight to Grenada. So we're pretty much just getting ready to go. So yeah, we'll catch you in Grenada. Let's go check on Carrie. So this is one of my sleepiest cousins ever. And she's up. Girl, just throw something on, honestly.
Say hello.
Good morning, ladies.
Morning.
Y'all excited? Uh-oh, wait a minute. That's kind of dull. Somebody stayed up too late last night.
Oh, yeah.
Happy camping. Enjoy your trip. Be safe over there.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Mark.
Kmart
Feliz Navidad. Hey. Hey guys, so we just boarded the plane to go to Grenada.
No plane.
Okay, so we're not in a plane right now, I guess. We're on our way to Grenada. We are en route.
Good morning to all of you. This is American Airlines flight number 15. Non-stop
It's gonna be about a
service.
4-hour flight, so wait, now that I got it.
Non-stop service to the island of Grenada.
Yeah, I never offered, because I just did.
Yeah, there's no point.
Well.
Racist.
Lady, she needs to move.
Safety briefing card and then contact the flight attendant to
Yeah, but that's what was already agreed in the group chat. Yeah, did you? You want that?
Yeah, I'm gonna be tucked up here, okay?
I guess so.
We're gonna roll you in your carry-on.
Only permit one. This is actually not bad quality, I think. Right? This girl had to take off her whole glasses.
Please edit that out. Hi guys. No, say it again.
They can see you.
Yeah. Make it more lively.
Yeah, like you're going to Grenada. There you go, there you go. Yes. Hi. How it looks when there's no music playing, but you're the only one dancing. Spice Island. Just like in the picture.
Turned on
This video from a movie. Hey guys. Thanks. This one? Okay, thank you guys.
Well, I'm Kasha.
Jayon.
Nice to meet you, Jayon.
Ashley. Thank you.
Where's everyone from? DC right now. DC.
Yeah.
Georgia.
Toronto, Canada.
Oh.
Yeah. Took us a while to get here, trust me.
Sure.
Yeah, literally. On our way.
Baby, don't do me that. You gon' break me heart. If you want me to go, you got me looking the way you do.
So guys, we just touched down. Ooh. This is our hotel room. There's this one. Oh geez. Ooh. Like, so these sidewalks are not the safest. Just in case y'all didn't know. Pretty much just, oh shoot. Ugh. Like I was saying, pretty much just scoping out, looking for a KFC, just anywhere that we can pick up some food in case we go hungry, because we only have breakfast included. So yeah. Colleen's in the back right there, because we have 2 events planned for tonight. We have a meet and greet where we get to meet other guests at the hotel.
And then an all-black party.
Yes, that I'm most excited for, because you know, girls want to come out and pop out. Yeah, the club is called Bananas. Obviously never been, but you know, it should be popping because it's soca all day, every day, 24/7, 25/8. You know what I'm saying? So we're in the right place. Safe.
My good body friend. God that I'm not talking to you today. I'm joking. They both look so good. Look at them. Okay, sexy. Okay. Oh. Okay. Fashion. Okay. So we ready. Okay.
So it is day 2 of Tropical Fest. We're at the beach clearly. Don't ask me what beach it is because I really don't know. Friends are in the water. We're right over this though. Watch them. And I love the fact that it's all soca all day. So this is pretty much the Baywatch beach party. Later on today we have a sports event thing that's going on. Yeah, so far Grenada is going so well, guys. I love it. Beautiful down here, super hot, super colorful. Oh, it's great. So Colleen's here. She just joined me. Hi. So we were watching them walk up in the water just now, right? They're having a lot of fun, and I really wanted to join them. Right? That's what I was saying. How do you feel about it? Yeah. How do you feel about it, Grenada?
It's a really cool experience. It's really nice weather compared to Toronto and everything.
Well, right now. How do you feel about Tropical Fest specifically?
Saw that?
She'll tell you all that. I don't know what to say about that one.
Yeah.
See you later, guys.
Bye. Yeah, I know I'm wearing a dress, but I kind of want to be in the water right now.
All I want is plenty for mom.
What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do?
That's me.
Hey YouTube, that Brady chick here. Oh god, okay. Introduce yourself, guys. You already know where they're from. You already know where they're from.
You know the vibe. The fucking vibe.
Okay. Alright, so today is tag team. We're pretty much just matching.
Y'all gonna lose.
Excuse you, where's your matching?
White on white. Oh,
It's all good. It's all good. On the other hand, we're matching with Cheetah Prince. Yeah, so we're Cheetah Girls 2.0. Guys, look up. Gosh, it's such millennials.
Look at my that's millennials.
Yeah,
How old are you? Goddamn millennials.
that's a nice camera though. That's a beautiful camera.
thanks.
I just want to be in this camera all day.
But yeah, we're headed to the beach soon. Just waiting on the shuttle. It's coming in like 2 minutes, so we're gonna get going.
This is your kingdom. Why not bring it up? 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 Hey, why not bring it up?
Like you should, my neck, my back, lick my.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Which country are you from?
Canada.
Canada is here. That's why all you look so beautiful and very well prepared. It's just short women are the best lovers. I think I agree. And the tall ones are romantic. I endorse them. And the little woman here who look happy and fine. I love your pretty smile.
Thank you.
You look very outlined. And that strong woman who look happy like me. I love your smile. It makes you look contentive. Very honestly. Enjoy the waterfall. It's lovely for you. But I'm looking for a collection to get some lunch. That's true. One love. Yeah.
Jumpers Association, we are the guys who ones that were living by jumping off the cliff.
Look at him. Better than me, bud. Better than me. Wow. He's really gonna jump all the way from up there into there. That's crazy. Just be careful, yeah? Oh my. Ah! Oh, shoot.
Hi. We're all the way at the
Pot Falls. Thanks to this lovely man here.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Mitch. The greatest. If you're in Trinidad for a layover experience, please book with him. One of the greatest.
So while Felicia does a very heartfelt goodbye, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry to cut the vlog so abruptly, but like that was literally all the footage I had left. So I hope you guys enjoyed regardless, and always remember, natural hair grows, don't you forget it.
Oh, the pretty girls in the world.